Again, so now this time let's try it on WSL2 in Windows 11. As you can see, the first thing that changes is that this is blinking. So I have not changed the code at all. It's just that here it works as is. Now, if I press enter, you can see again I get a carriage return. However, if here I press Control Enter, I get a line feed. Everything else works as I expect. Control L, Control C, Control D. I can even send null byte. Control space is null byte as well. Control M is carriage return. So everything works as expected except the blinking here and Control Enter giving me a line feed. So what I would like to do is that right now, if I want to say, for example, um, something that just adds, expects two things on the top of the stacks and returns one, I need to open here this bracket to enable multiline. It's something that it's currently working. So let's just add that and return. And after that, I have this subroutine that I can call something like this. For example, 10 and 5, everything is in hexadecimal, and then just call full. And then if I look at the stack, I can see that I have 15 here, so it's working as expected. And yeah, so basically, if I cannot make it work with Control Enter to get a line feed, I think the next uh, best alternative is to use Alt Enter. Well, I thought it was Alt Enter, but as you can see here, it will in Windows it will make it full screen uh, because Alt Enter should give me an escape carriage return. So I mean, I'm just trying to figure out what would be the best next thing to do. Working with brackets already works, but it's not something that is embedded into the language. It's not. It's something that I'm just using here for the purpose of multi-line input. It's not, for example, if we see the actual code for Merlin, which is the program I'm writing, we can see that, for example, I go to source, Yuxental, Merlin, and here if I get to micro source, I don't know, let's look at Elixir routines. So this is kind of the style of this assembly code, and I don't want to enforce people using brackets in the source files, but I also don't want them to have not use brackets in the source files, but use them in the REPL, because I also wanted to make it very easy to copy paste this code, and since no one else will be writing with their source code with brackets, that means that I cannot copy paste something from a text file into the REPL without it breaking. Thank you guys for your time.